Alright, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something that will make you a lot of money overnight. But regular people are turning these machines into money. They work from a garage or a basement, and these are not tricks, these are real machines. And if you want some simple tools that do the job and make money, this list is for you. The first one on the list is commercial donut machine. Now, fresh donuts always draw a crowd, whether at a market or an office party. A mini commercial donut machine makes the job easy. It drops batter into hot oil and fries perfect golden rings in minutes, ready to glaze and serve. You don't need a big budget either. Smaller automatic machines cost around $500 to $800 and can make dozens of donuts every hour. It's a very simple, sweet investment that lets you please customers and earn with every batch. The next one on the list is manual edge banding machine. Now, raw plywood edges look unfinished, but edge banding makes them smooth and professional. Many do-it-yourself woodworkers and small shops need this service. A manual edge bending machine uses hot glue to press a strip of veneer or tape onto the edge in one quick motion. Portable models start around $500 to $900, making them really affordable for small shops. With one on your bench, you can finish edges for others or sell better looking furniture, turning clean edges into extra income. Dry ice making machine. Ever need to keep something frozen without melting ice? Well, dry ice is always in demand for shipping frozen goods, creating special effects at events, and even for science projects. A dry ice maker connects to a CO2 tank and with the push of a button, turns the gas into solid blocks or pellets. It is very simple to use. These machines start around $500, and with that small investment, you could supply dry ice to local stores or event companies, turning a cold product into some hot profit. Vacuum casting machine. When making custom parts or jewelry, precision and detail are everything. A vacuum casting machine ensures both by removing air bubbles and forcing molten metal or resin deep into the mold. The result is a flawless piece with no gaps. And using such a thing is very simple. You melt your material, you pour it in, and let the vacuum do the work. Entry-level machines, like this one, they cost around $300 to $600, making them easy to start with. With one of these, you could create your own jewelry line or offer casting services for profit. Now, this one is called Bubble Machine for Events. You've probably seen it. This brings instant fun to any event, and people will pay for the effect. That makes a bubble machine a great tool for event rentals or party services, and it's very easy to use. You just pour in the solution, you switch it on, and it fills the space with floating bubbles that just feel magical. And the machines are also affordable, usually around $200 to $700. And you can earn that back in just a few events. It's a small investment that quickly turns into profit. Jewelry drum polishing machine. Shiny jewelry and gemstones always catch attention. A drum polishing tumbler gives your pieces a smooth, professional finish, making it a must for small jewelry or craft businesses. Using this is easy as well. You place items in the barrel with polishing grid, and the machine tumbles them until they shine. These machines are very affordable. They start at $70 for the smaller versions. And at such a low cost, hobbyists can buy one easily, and sellers can earn back the investment fast by offering polished, ready-to-sell pieces. Ribbon printing machine. Custom printed ribbons make any product or event look more premium. From wedding favors and gift wraps to trophies and branded giveaways, a ribbon printing machine helps you create them. The process is very simple as well. The machine uses heat and metallic foil to stamp letters or logos or designs onto satin, nylon, or something else. You just insert the ribbon, you load the characters, and you press the button. The result is crisp, shiny text that upgrades any package. There's a lot of people doing it on Etsy, and the prices are really good for such a thing. And printers are really affordable. The best part about this is that it offers you custom ribbon sale for events or small businesses. Or you can sell some themed rows for seasonal sales. Ice cream machine, my favorite. It's a timeless favorite. Kids love it. Adults crave it, and every event feels better with it. A countertop ice cream machine lets you make soft serve or scoop style ice cream in small batches, but of course you've got these more commercial and more advanced versions, and they're simple to use. Really, you just pour in your mix, you switch it on, and in minutes you've got yourself some fresh ice cream. Many models include multiple nozzles or cooling features, and cleanup is quick with just a rinse. You can run a local cart, or you can just put this in your garage. This is a more advanced one, the one that you see on the screen right now. But there's a lot of these other versions, for example, such as this one. This one you can start locally with. This is something that anyone can do. And yeah, profit margins for this are excellent. Desktop injection molding machine. And this one is vertical because plastic is everywhere. Clips, containers, custom parts. For years, making these items required huge factories and costly equipment, but not anymore. With a machine like this, you can create small plastic parts right from your workshop. The process is simple. The machine melts plastic pellets into liquid, then injects them into a mold under pressure. So simple. Minutes later, your parts are ready to use. And the best part about this is that these machines used to cost a lot. But today, you can get a quality unit for under $500, and that makes small-scale manufacturing possible. You could produce phone stands, keychains, or parts for local businesses. There's a lot of opportunities with this one. Embroidery machine. Personalized clothing is always in demand, especially nowadays. For businesses, schools, sports teams, you name it. Embroidery adds a premium, lasting touch to hats, polos, jackets, bags, whatever. And with a home embroidery machine, you can enter this really profitable market. And it's really easy to use. You upload a design, you hoop the fabric, and the machine automatically stitches precise, colorful patterns. Entry-level machines go anywhere from $600, but there's of course more premium one that go up to $5,000, depending on features and thread capacity. But even basic models can handle patches, logos for small orders. As you grow, you can upgrade to a commercial multi-needle machine for faster work and more complex designs. Pet food pellet machine. Pet owners love their animals, and they spend a lot on healthy custom food. And with a pet food pellet machine, you can make your own, and you can make it anywhere from your home. It works like a mini feed mill. You mix grains, proteins, vitamins, and then just pour them in. The machine then compresses the blend and presses out bite-sized pellets ready to dry and package. Small models start around $1,000, with larger electric versions costing only a bit more. The setup is great for offering a natural, additive-free, or breed-specific diets. You can sell to local pet shops, vet clinics, or farmers markets. Just remember, food safety rules and ingredient regulations apply if you plan to grow and sell widely. Fog machine. From Halloween setups to weddings and DJ events, fog instantly sets the mood. That's why these machines are a must for party planners, entertainers, and rentals. And also, they're just so simple to use. You fill it with fog fluid, you plug it in, let it warm up, and hit the switch. Thick clouds of mist, they just roll out, creating magical or spooky effects. Compact models, they cost anywhere from $80 to $200, and just a gig or two can cover the cost, making this a quick return. Also, you can rent them out for birthdays, weddings, and you can even bundle this up with lights or speakers for some extra income. They do need regular cleaning and a steady supply of fluid though. Cup sealing machine, that tight plastic seal on a bubble tea or iced coffee comes from a cup sealing machine. It heat seals film over drinks, making them spill-proof, professional, and easy to carry. Machines cost around $500 and can seal hundreds of cups an hour. They're popular with bubble tea shops, smoothie stands, and home drink businesses. You can even offer custom branded cups for events or delivery services. Customers love the clean, hygienic look, but this machine works best for high volume businesses. If you only make a few drinks a day, it may take longer to earn back that investment. Cement blocks are a core part of construction, and demand is always steady. A small cement block machine lets you turn sand, cement, and water into strong building blocks right from your garage. Most models are semi-automatic. You load the mix, you pull a lever, or you just press a button, and clean, uniform blocks come out. And you don't need a huge budget either if you don't want to go this far. This is a professional grade one, and as you can see, the price, well, it's huge. But if you have a look at Alibaba, you can find one for, as you can see, around $1,000. And if you have place for it, well, with it, you can sell directly to local builders, or you can offer custom blocks for small jobs. The last one is a Tufting gun. Custom rugs are trending now on TikTok, on Instagram, and Etsy, and a Tufting gun lets you join in. This handheld electric tool shoots yarn through fabric stretched on a frame, creating thick, colorful rugs with names or some custom designs. Starter kits with a gun, frame, and yarn cost about $200. You can set it up in a garage or any space and you're ready to sell on Etsy. Tufting takes practice to master though, and finishing rugs requires trimming and backing, but it's a creative side business with lots of demand. So that was it for today. I hope you found something for yourself. I wish you good luck and I'll catch you in the next one.